welcome to the Abhinay's Physiotherapy classes. Now we are going to learn the special topic Erythroblastoia fetalis. This is one type of a blood mismatched that is present in the pregnant ladies. It mostly occurs in the pregnant ladies, and most of you have the common doubts in the Erythroblastoia fetalis. I think so. So I have took this topic to clarify your doubts and to explain you clearly. Okay, as we all know, when the mother is in RH negative and fetus is a RH positive, usually the first child escapes the complication of RH incompatibility. This is because the RH antigen cannot pass from the fetal blood to the mother's blood through the placental barrier. See, when the mother is the RH negative and when the fetus is the RH positive, here we can see this is a mismatch of RH. So actually when the outside, if the both RH negative factor and RH positive factors are get together, there is a collagenation between both the blood groups. In the same way, here if RH negative blood is present in the mother and RH positive is in the fetus, if RH positive blood if enters into the mother, here automatically the RH negative antibodies are developed in the mother's body. So that leads to the destruction of the RH negative blood. So here it may leads to death also sometimes. So but in case in the first pregnancy, there is no blood passes through the placental barrier of mother. Okay, see, we can read this once. However, at the time of parturition or delivery, the RH antigen from fetal blood may leak into the blood because of the placental detachment during the postpartum period. Okay, we will see that when during the parturition means during the delivery, there may leak of blood. However, we all know there is a placental barrier. So through that placental detachment, there can be some of the blood passes into the mothers, that is fetus blood. Here the fetus blood is the RH positive and mother's blood is the RH negative. So when this RH positive blood enters into RH negative, there is antibodies may develop opposite to this RH negative antibodies. So antibodies may already developed. Okay, there is a after when the parturition occurs, means when the baby comes out of the womb, blood may leaks into the mothers and there will be a development of the antibodies. Okay, so this first child may escapes from the death or from erythroblastosis but here we know that already the RH negative antibodies are formed in the mother's blood. So if when the say again for the next time, means for the second time when the second baby, if the fetus happens to be RH positive again, RH antibodies from the mother's blood crosses placental barrier and enters the fetal blood. So if the second time RH positive fetus is present in women's, so RH positive means here we already know that RH positive antibodies are developed in the baby. So this RH positive these antibodies may enter the fetus and they may collapse the fetus totally. So this type of the mismatched RHs positive and negative is called as erythroblastoia fetalis. Once we will read this. However, at the time of parturition, The Rh antigen from the fetal blood may leak into the mother's blood because of the placental detachment. Postpartum period, within a month after delivery, the mother develops Rh antibodies in her blood. When the mother conceives for the second time, if the fetus happens to be Rh positive again, the Rh antibodies enters the fetal body. The Rh antigen cannot cross the placental barrier. Whereas Rh antibody can cross it. Rh antibody which enters the fetus causes the agglutination of fetal RBCs, resulting in hemolysis. Severe hemolysis in fetus causes jaundice. To compensate the hemolysis of greater number of RBCs, there is a rapid production of RBC not only for the but also bone marrow, but also from the spleen and liver. Now, many large and immature cells in the proheteroblastic stage are released into the circulation. Because of this, the disease is called erythroblastis fetalis. Okay, I hope you understand. Just nothing. I will explain you in a paper that clearly. See, if this is the mother, she is of Rh negative. Fetus is Rh positive. So, for the first time, Rh positive, when Rh negative contains Rh positive blood, when this is occurs paturation, when there is a paturation occurs, Rh positive blood may leaks into the Rh negative blood. Means there is antibodies developed against the Rh positive blood. Means they are developed after 1 month of paturation. There will be developmental. So now there is the antibodies already developed against the Rh positive blood in the mother's body. So for the second time, when the second time if the fetus is with Rh positive, already we know that Rh positive antibodies are present in the mother's womb. So when Rh positive blood means the fetus is formed with Rh positive blood, automatically through the placenta, this Rh positive antibodies may enter to the fetus, and there occurs a agglutination of Rh positive and Rh negative. So this may lead to the collapsation of fetus. Okay, this is the collapsation of the fetus. Hope you understand the erythroblastosis. If any queries, please comment.